Simple present. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. The simple present is a verb tense. We use the simple present tense for repeated actions. Repeated actions happen over and over again. Simple present verbs have two forms. Which form do we use? That depends on the subject of the sentence. Subjects can be pronouns. Subjects can also be nouns. We use a base verb when the subject pronoun is I, you, we, or they. We use verb plus s when the subject pronoun is he, she, or it. We use a base verb when the subject noun is plural. We use verb plus s when the subject noun is singular. We also use verb plus s when the subject noun is non-count. Look at the picture and say or write a simple present sentence. For example, she drinks coffee every day. Now you try. Thanks for watching.